Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in my kitchen I have made Nardan style beef fry. But more appropriate name will be beef roast. There is no frying involved and the dish is slow roasted, giving it a mouth-watering caramelized spicy flavor. Let's start. Here I have taken washed and clean 900 gram of boneless beef, cut into cubes. Add this into a cooker. Now add half teaspoon of pepper powder, half tablespoon of normal chili powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and add salt to taste and mix this well. After cleaning the beef, keep it in a strainer for 20 minutes. This helps to take out the extra water from it. And add 2 strands of curry leaves. No need to add water. Beef will release water to cook, and cook it in a low flame or low to medium flame. Cook it till 90% done because we further roasting the beef. And this is the main step here. If you undercook the beef, it will be chewy. And if you overcook the beef, it may easily shred while frying. After pressure is released, open the lid and beef has released the juice. In high flame, dry it completely. You can check the beef is completely dry. After it is cooled down, add some spice powder, half tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder or normal chili powder and 2 teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of perujeeragam, that is fennel powder, and half teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Here I am adding 2 tablespoon of vinegar, or you can add lemon juice instead. And mix it well. ബീഫ് ഫ്രൈൻ്റെ കൂടത്തിൽ ഏറ്റവും അടിപൊളി കോമ്പിനേഷൻ പൊറോട്ടയാണ്. പൊറോട്ടയുടെ വീഡിയോ ഞാൻ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ ലിങ്ക് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിലുണ്ട്. Here I have taken the cast iron pan to roast and I have added 4.5 tablespoon of oil. Here I am adding 3 big garlic clove crushed and 4 green chilli crushed. Then add 2 to 3 strands of curry leaves. Fry this. Then take it out in a plate. Later we'll add it. Next add the cooked and marinated beef and mix this well. For 1 minute keep it in a medium flame. Then reduce the flame to low and dry roast it till you get that dark color. I have uploaded few beef recipes and beef cutlet, beef roast Kerala style recipes. ഞാൻ നാടൻ റെസിപ്പീസ് അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാം, ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ പോയി ചെക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. Now you can check the beef has been turned into nice dark color. Hope you can see the color. The camera is not showing the perfect color here. Now check this. It has been perfectly roasted and tastes super delicious. Like always I say, super delicious. Now add the fried garlic, green chilies and mix it well. Try this, it's out of the world. You will definitely love it. For me it took 25 to 30 minutes to roast in a low flame. So make sure to roast the beef in very low flame. Then only you will get the texture and the color. If you like the video, please do consider to like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.